Welcome to Winning Moves with Manthan Choksi. Hello friends, welcome to Winning Moves with Manthan Choksi. Today I bring to you a concept called blockade. It's a very interesting concept, especially when you're attacking the king. The blockade is a concept where you identify the checkmate and you identify the escape square for the king. And what you do, you sacrifice your piece and stop or block the escape square of the king, and then you give the checkmate. Let's have a look at this example. It's white to play. The black king is terribly trapped in the corner on a4, and white is on the attacking side. However, if he doesn't give checkmate immediately, then black has the annoying check, rook h2. So it's white to play and checkmate in 2 moves. Can you find out the solution? Pause the video and see if you get the solution. Okay, so here the first move is rook a3. The idea of rook a3 is simple. We want to give the b3 checkmate. But if we push the b3 pawn right now, then the king would have an escape square on a3. So what we do here is, using the rook sacrifice, we block the escape square of the king and then give this checkmate. So blockade is a very useful concept, especially when you are almost close to giving the checkmate but not yet able to find the exact move order. So use this tactic and checkmate the opponent's king. Let's have a look at another example. In this position, again it's white to play, and white is having a dangerous check on h8. The rook on h3 is supporting the queen, so king cannot capture. However, black has the escape square on f7. So we are very close to giving the checkmate, but if we give the check right now, the king would escape. So what do we do here? Can you find out the solution? Okay, so here we need to block the escape square, that is the f7 square. So we push the pawn on f7. And now it doesn't matter if he captures with the rook or with the bishop. We have stopped the escape square and then we deliver the checkmate. So it's again a very important tactic, blockade, and it will help you to win a lot of games. Now let us look at this interesting puzzle which involves the concept of blockade. It's white to play and deliver checkmate in 2 moves. Can you find out the solution? Once again, pause the video and check the solution. Okay, so the move is queen h7. We are giving a beautiful queen sacrifice to block the h7 square. If knight captures queen, then we have the knight g6 checkmate. The king cannot go to g8 because the bishop is controlling. So here what we did is, instead of giving knight g6 check first, because the king would escape on h7, what we did is we sacrificed the queen, blocked the h7 square, escape square, and then gave the checkmate. So this is called blockade. Let's have a look at one more interesting puzzle which involves blockade as well as square clearance. If you observe this position, the black pawn on a2 is looking really dangerous, intending to promote on the last rank. It's white to play. White has to do something immediately, or else the pawn would be pushed and black would get a queen. So it's white to play and checkmate in 2 moves. So here we play the move rook h3. Yes, we give a rook sacrifice. The idea here is that once the bishop captures on h3, then we have a beautiful pawn checkmate. because the h3 square is blocked, the escape is blocked. So once again, blockade, and in this case, there was a square. So once again, we have a blockade, and in this case, there was a square clearance. We cleared the g3 square, which was occupied by the rook, for the pawn to give checkmate. So friends, I hope you understood the concept of blockade. Now, before signing off, I would like to give you a puzzle on blockade. Whatever we have learned, now you have to try to apply it. It's white to play here, and you have to find the checkmate. The checkmate is happening in 3 moves. So try to find out the solution, and if you get the solution, do comment and write the entire solution from both white and black. I'll wait for your comments. This is Manthan Choksi, and keep liking the videos and keep subscribing to our channel for many such informative and continuous learning. Thank you.